Pascal. Okay. Don't think I can completely fluent in Bengali because I said just Namaskar. Because in three days I would like to be fluent in Bengali, but it's the only sentence I know for now. So good evening, bonsoir. It's a real pleasure and a real honor for me to start. It's my first day, and I'm starting, with a partner. A huge partner of Alliance Française, Culture Monde. Tonight it's my first event. So thank you for coming, and thank you to be partner and guest of Alliance Française. It's a special event for me, because in fact when I was young, I was not dreaming of being director of Alliance Française. I was dreaming of being a poet, maybe like some of you, but a poet and an actor. But I was, when I tried to act, it was a disaster, and really, worse than many French actors you already saw on movies, and I think I was a worst poet, so I decided to be a director of Alliance Française. And somehow it was the way for me, to work with some people, with talented people, actors, and also poets. So thank you, Kolkata, thank you to all of us, and of course we will meet each other, many times, and I'm at your disposal. Don't hesitate to contact me, guys.